The slip cross fitting comes in 1 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1/2 inch, and is designed to work on PVC pipe. We use the slip cross in our arched greenhouse kit. This new design of sliding over the PVC piping reduces the assembly time. The slip cross is very similar to the slip T, which is also used in our arched greenhouse kit. As you can see here, we use the slip crosses to build our corral panels. It allowed us to not have to cut the 3 middle rails on the panel.
When I originally designed the support system for the boat cover, I used a regular cross. Normally, when you would want to join pipe in 2 directions, you would use a standard cross. But when we put the added stresses of an arc on it, a standard cross breaks. It doesn't happen that way when we use our new slip cross. But when we can allow the pipe to go through the cross, the torque does no effect on the fitting and strength of the structure is maintained.
For more PVC ideas like this, follow our YouTube channel or our blog. You'll see the URLs in the comments below. If you would like to purchase some of our products, go to our website at www.circoinnovations.com. Thank you for watching.